Imagine holding the most powerful computer in the world, but it fits right in the palm of your hand. For years, the iPad mini has been the ultimate stealth device for gamers, readers, and travelers who want power without the bulk. But let's be honest, it has always felt like the middle child of the Apple family, getting the hand-me-down screens and older chips while the Pro and Air models got all the glory. Well, that is all about to change. The rumors for the iPad mini 8 are finally here, and they're pointing toward a massive shift that could turn this tiny tablet into a mini Pro powerhouse. We are talking about a total display revolution, a jump to desktop-class processors, and a design so thin it might actually disappear. The biggest headline for the iPad mini 8 is the move to OLED technology. If you've ever used an iPad mini 6 or 7, you probably know about jelly scrolling. Because of how the current LCD panels refresh, the screen can look like it's wobbling when you scroll through text. It's annoying, and it makes a premium device feel cheap. By switching to OLED, Apple is finally fixing this. OLED panels refresh differently, meaning that jelly effect will be a thing of the past. But it's not just about fixing bugs. OLED brings perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and colors that pop in a way LCD simply can't match. Whether you're watching a movie on a plane or editing photos on the go, the visual experience is going to be night and day. Now, you might be wondering when you can actually buy one. Apple usually waits a long time between mini updates. We saw the Mini 6 in 2021 and the Mini 7 in 2024. Following that pattern, we are likely looking at a late 2026 release. Reports from the supply chain suggest that Samsung is already working on 8-inch OLED samples specifically for this device. Interestingly, Apple might launch the OLED Mini alongside a new OLED iPad Air. This would streamline the entire lineup, making every iPad, except the budget-based model, feature a high-end OLED screen. While some experts thought we might have to wait until 2027, the latest leaks from Korea suggest Apple is pushing for a simultaneous 2026 launch to dominate the tablet market. We might also see the screen get a little bigger. Right now, the Mini has an 8.3-inch display. Rumors suggest Apple could push that to 8.7 inches by slimming down those chunky bezels. Imagine getting more screen real estate without making the device itself any larger. It's the perfect compromise for people who love the one-handed feel, but want more room for gaming or multitasking. To make it even more pro, Apple is expected to follow the design trend of the M4 iPad Pro and the upcoming iPhone 17 Air. This means the Mini 8 will likely be the thinnest and lightest version ever made. It's all about extreme portability. Inside, the upgrades are even more shocking. While the current Mini uses the A17 Pro chip, there's a very strong possibility the Mini 8 will jump to an M-series chip, like the M3 or M4. If Apple does this, they might officially rebrand it as the iPad Mini Pro. With an M-series chip, this tiny tablet could handle Stage Manager and external display support, just like its bigger brothers. This would turn the Mini from a simple media consumption device into a legitimate mobile workstation. Pair that with a landscape front-facing camera for better video calls and potentially a new Magic Keyboard, and the Mini 8 becomes the most versatile tool in Apple's kit. In my opinion, this is the iPad Mini of us have been waiting for. The current Mini 7 is great, but it still feels like it's holding back. If Apple truly gives us an OLED Mini Pro with desktop-level power, it becomes the perfect alternative to those expensive foldable phones. It's more durable, has a better aspect ratio for reading, and runs a much more powerful operating system. Yes, the price might creep up closer to the iPad Air, but for the performance and portability you're getting, it will be the undisputed king of small tablets. If you've been holding off on an upgrade, 2026 is the year the Mini finally grows up. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.